Good morning students. Today we will learn subtraction of integers. So first question is in first question asking negative of -3. So negative of -3 will be positive of +3. How this came, this I am explaining by rule of bracket opening. This we have learned in addition of integer also. This we have learned. Once again you see these two we have used earlier in bracket opening for positive. The question was find the sum. So plus of the plus plus, plus of the minus minus, means if there is outside of the bracket positive sign is there, so this sign will not change. This positive will be positive, negative will be negative. But when outside of the bracket negative sign is there, so negative, then inside the this sign will change. You see, negative of negative is positive and negative of positive is negative. Means these two symbol will change when outside of the bracket minus sign is there. Means this shows the negative. So negative of negative will be positive and negative of positive will be negative. So in this both the cases sign will change. So by this rule, negative of 5 is 5 means if no sign means here plus is there. So negative of plus 5, this is written wrong. So negative of plus 5 will be minus 5. Negative of plus 5 will be minus 5. Now you see question, subtract first from the second integer. This is the question number 3. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. That is based on some property that you will see property in book and you will learn. Question number 3 you see subtract first from the second integer. So we have to subtract first, means this will be subtracted from the second. इसे what is the meaning of this? In हिंदी इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? घटाओ दूसरे में से पहले को. Generally confusion always there in such type question. In English, as per English, this will be written first and this will come later on. Because the meaning of this sentence is घटाओ पहले को दूसरे से घटाओ. मीन्स पहले नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से घटाओ. सो दूसरे नंबर से घटाओ मतलब सेकेंड विल बी रिटन फर्स्ट, देन दिस फर्स्ट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तब पहले को घटाएंगे तो सेकेंड पहले लिखेंगे और ये बाद में लिखेंगे व्हेन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन दिस वे फ्रॉम गिवन. So 4 minus 9, this is minus 5. Now you see this minus 11 minus 6. Here also same case, subtract first. मतलब इसको घटाओ, किससे घटाओ? सेकेंड से. minus 6 से घटाओ. This number I have written here. अब इसको घटाओ. तो घटाओ means what is the symbol of subtract? Minus. So this is for subtraction. You are thinking how there are two negative sign is there. So this first sign is for घटाओ subtraction and this sign is the question sign. Means this number is minus 11, negative 11. So this is the number and this is number and this is for subtract. Now solve this question. Here bracket is here. So for opening the bracket, this negative of the negative will be positive. So this minus 6 is as it is written and this negative of negative will become, bracket opening law, it will become positive. And here which rule we will follow? Remember I have given the rule, two rules for finding the sum of integer. If the numbers are different, means if the sign of numbers are different, we subtract each other. Means आपस में घटा दो. 11 और 6 you subtract each other. So how much you will get? 5. And which the sign you will get? Bigger number sign. So bigger number is 11. So positive sign will come. Otherwise you can understand by another way. There are positive means soldiers. 11 soldiers are there and 6 negative sign assume as the enemies. So 11 soldiers and 6 enemies. So 1 will cancel each other. So how many left? 5. Who left more? six enemies will kill 6 soldiers. So how many rest left? 5 soldiers left, so positive sign will come. By this way also you can solve this. Now see this once again. This second number will be written first, then first number later on as per this statement. So 0 minus 16, again follow the rule. So 0 minus 16 will minus 16, very simple it is. Now next is again see, first we will write second number is minus 7, and this sign is for subtract, and this is 10 only. So this is the first number, this is the second number, and this sign is for subtraction. This is for subtraction. Now you solve this minus 7 and minus 10. Again you follow the law of integers. Which rule we will follow for this? If the numbers are having same sign. So what we do? We add the number and we put common sign. So here you can see both are negative, means we will add them and we will put common sign. Otherwise you can understand one more way. 7 enemies and 10 enemies. So how many total? There are total 17 enemies. Otherwise one more method I have shown, that by red color object I have shown. Red, for the negative sign I have taken red color. So 7 red object, 10 red object. So there are total 17 red objects. So there are 2-3 ways to understand and solve these questions carefully, particular subtraction of the integers.